Planning to get out on the water? Here's your fast guide to transporting and storing a kayak. Best vehicle? Any car with roof racks work great or with towing trailer capacity. Before you paddle, you'll need a life jacket, a paddle, and water-ready clothes. On a trailer, transport your kayak upside down to protect the hull. And yes, you can tow a kayak. Just use a proper trailer or roof rack with tie-downs. For the most aerodynamic setup, face it forward and hull down. That's it. Quick, safe, and ready to go. Happy kayaking.